Head of the countries and students, a heartwarming welcome to all of you. Today is our graduation day. We are reaping the fruit for our 10-month struggle in the elementary level. We are happy that at long last classes have come to an end. And yet, this is only the beginning of a long journey towards the attainment of our goals in life. We look back to our nursery and kindergarten classes with fondness because here we experienced fun, laughs, and love. The joys and pains we had together were the people gathered. We are the model to become useful and upright citizens, change our bad attitudes into desirable ones. We are equipped with the academic knowledge for us to be prepared to tackle the dynamics of life. For this, we commend our teachers whose untiring efforts to transform into what we are now. To all the parents, we thank you for your affection, support, and encouragement to study harder until we can attain our goals in life. So you want to be proud of us someday. In behalf of the graduates, I welcome you all once again on this graduation day. May God and His wisdom guide us and bless us. Thank you and good